The MC-21, a significant leap in Russian aviation, is a beacon of hope for Russia's future. This cutting-edge aircraft, set to revolutionize the narrow-body passenger jet market, is currently preparing for its commercial debut. The Irkutsk Aviation Plant is embarking on a monumental modernization program. This colossal multi-billion ruble investment is set to catapult the plant's production capacity for the MC-21, with a staggering target of up to 36 aircraft per year. This expansion is not just about increasing aircraft production, it's about fostering growth. The creation of thousands of new jobs and the significant boost to the regional economy are tangible signs of progress. Irkutsk engineers have even developed innovative new machinery, like the high-tech drilling machine, to replace foreign-made equipment. This is a key step towards achieving self-sufficiency in aircraft production. The MC-21 has already completed hundreds of test flights and received its initial type certificate. But to start delivering planes to airlines like Aeroflot, they need an additional certificate for the version with domestically produced parts. Yuri Slyusar, head of the United Aircraft Corporation, explains that 200 more test flights are scheduled to begin in September 2024. If all goes smoothly, Aeroflot could start receiving MC-21s as early as September 2025. Aeroflot has even expressed interest in switching its entire order of various aircraft models to solely consist of MC-21s. This could potentially delay deliveries to other Russian airlines waiting for the plane. But Russia's ambitions don't stop at home. They're looking to expand the MC-21's reach to international airlines like Belavia, the national carrier of Belarus. Belavia is already interested in acquiring MC-21s and has the potential to become a launch customer outside Russia. This collaboration could also lead to Belarusian companies receiving billions of rubles in orders for aircraft components. Russia is also discussing offering local production and assembly facilities with India. However, the MC-21 faces competition from established players like Boeing and Airbus. President Putin himself has spoken out against U.S. sanctions imposed on the MC-21 program, calling them unfair competition. The MC-21 prototype aircraft continues its testing phase with a focus on evaluating new software, engine performance, and automated flight systems. These rigorous tests are crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of the MC-21 before it starts carrying passengers. The MC-21 program is a significant undertaking for Russia's aviation industry. With its modern design, domestic components, and ambitious production goals, the MC-21 has the potential to become a major player in the global aerospace market. Do you think Russia will be able to put MC-21 in production with entirely domestic parts? We bring you some good information on aerospace. Let us know in the comments. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.